Hello gamers, hello tech people, this is Lightning Malloy, at Lightning Malloy on Twitter. Follow me, Lightning Malloy Twitch. Now we got that all away. We have a PC build, gaming, Intel, 650 with OS. Let's kick it off. Rocket League will play in the background. We got an i5 4460, 4 cores, 3.2 gigahertz, and the boost clock 3.4. It's on the 1150 socket. It's a Haswell E CPU, so it's very recent. For motherboard, we got our trusted Asus H81 Micro ATX. It doesn't have a lot of the cool features, but on the budget build, it has what you need. I use Asus. I love Asus. I never had anything wrong. You have 3 gigabit 2 SATA. You have 3 SATA 6 gigabit. And for your USB, you have 2 3.0 and 2 2.0. Let's move on to RAM. The RAM is, you got your G.Skills Ripjaws, 8 gig 2x4 with speeds up to 1600. It's a good name, and yes, it comes in red. Woo! Base, we have Fractal Design Core 1100, 2 5.25 bay to have your DVD drive, your Blu-ray, or any other things, USB hub, fan hub. Let's go down. You have 2 3.5 for your hard drives and your SSD. I don't think it has any 2.5 native, but you can buy the bracket to put your SSD in if you buy an SSD. Power supply, we have EVGA 100B1. It is bronze certified. It does come with a 3-year warranty. It is EVGA. And for your hard drive, we could not fit an SSD in this build. We went with massive storage. You got your Western Digital Blue, 1 terabyte. It's good. It's cheap. I used it. Let's go on to your Asus drive. You may only use this for your OS, but let me tell you, I have it in mind. It works. It's by Asus. What more could you want? And for the GPU, the king of the parts, the thing you should spend the most money for, we have a Zotac GeForce 960 4GB version. It won't max every game out, but you'll be able to play good games, AAA games like The Witcher, Batman, Ark, and other stuff with really good settings with the 4GB version, so you have more gigs. Your core clock 1177, your boost clock 1240, CUDA cores 1024. Like I said, it has cooling, so when overclock it, you can. But yeah, this is a good GPU. I highly recommend this one. It's a 960 NVIDIA, better drivers than AMD, and you get 4 gigs. And for your OS, we have Windows 8.1. Don't do Windows 10, because it sucks. Yes, the price is 100. There's other ways to get it. Look around, go to forums. But yeah, that is your 650 Intel build with OS. We did an AMD build. Next month is 800 for January. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have a budget, please tell me below, and we'll make a computer for you with your budget. So go ahead, follow me on Twitter, Lightning Malloy, and on Twitch, Lightning Malloy. Lightning out.